Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Lafayette Local and Long Distance Movers. Near me. We are the best firm for you, not only because we have the equipment and facilities to see your move through, but also because we make sure to put you first in our dealings. We are a customer-centric relocation firm that ensures that our clients get the long end of the stick regarding their moving needs. We are always available. Hence, you can call us anytime you require our assistance. The moving needs for different customers are different, and each relocation calls for its treatment. Therefore, we have to plan for every relocation as though we are just creating a new template for the move. By doing this, we consider all intricacies applicable to your situation and create a foolproof plan. With such a plan in place, you can make your move as quickly as possible. You can trust us with your move if you are relocating a distance that is above 50 miles. We have the equipment, personnel, and years of experience that will make sure your move is a success. You should put a call through when you need such a service. If you also decide to relocate within the locality, you can trust us to come through for you. We can maneuver bustling cities with ease. We are also very affordable, with pricing within $30 to $40 per hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lafayette moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.